Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE in Blacktop Edition. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, integrated roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, 8-way power driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, second row overhead DVD console, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P71818.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.